I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one prime creator. Alright, as we begin the month of August, I want to take a look at one of the stocks that has done well in the recent weeks and months in an environment where a lot of stocks have failed. So again, lots of failed breakouts over the last couple of months, but some of them, a few of them, a handful of them, have done an amazing job of moving higher. So today we're going to be discussing BNTX, and I'll keep it simple because if you've been with me for a while, you know the concept, which is the ultimate Muathe breakout. So this is the all data monthly for this instrument, and there's something on this chart on the RSI. Hope you can see it right there. Right there. If you understand that power giving momentum level of the RSI just as it moved above 69.1, you would have been very sensitive to this breakout that took place in April. Right there in April, because of where the RSI was trading. That was a dead giveaway. Now let me call it a live giveaway of the probability and possibility that this instrument would go on a major run. And all it took is to understand the power of RSI 69.1 in conjunction with understanding the ultimate Muathe breakout method. So again, this breakout here in April was one to behold, which is one of the reasons, if not the main reason, it was one of my breakout candidates at the beginning of April. April 13th to be exact, for paid clients or paid subscribers. Back to the chart, and if we take a look at where the MACDs were trading, we can see that one of the MACDs was moving to 3-year highs, in this case essentially moving to all-time highs. Right there, MACD action. RSI making new highs and moving above 69.1, and that is meeting the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links for this method, if you're new to this method, are gonna be in the description of this video. So this is the monthly. There's another breakout recently, and we need to take a look at the weekly time frame to find it. So this breakout that I'm gonna be discussing happened somewhere here at the beginning of the month of July. So this is the weekly, and you can see the previous breakout that was shown on the monthly is now here visible on the weekly time frame. And there's another breakout after a couple of weeks of rest, which is here at the beginning of the month of July, right there. And again, to put things in perspective, a lot of breakouts have been failing, so this is one of the rare ones that has been successful. Now, to understand the power of this breakout that took place at the beginning of July, you have to appreciate where the RSI was trading on the monthly. So back to the monthly chart and take a look at your RSI. By the time this breakout is taking place here, your RSI was trading in the mid 70s. So yes, the higher the RSI, the better. Believe it or not, the RSI is a measure of sentiment, in my humble opinion. And when an instrument is hot, when it's on fire, when it's bullish, the RSI is going to reflect that by holding above 69.1. So fear not, instruments that are trading above quote unquote 70, actually they are most desirable. So we can see this breakout here in July, right there, above a prior weekly closing high. And again, you can see another breakout alert sent to paid subscribers for the same stock, BNTX. Paid clients receive an email with my breakout alerts. And of course, over the last couple of weeks and months, breakouts have been failing. So those of us who concentrate on breakouts have been forced to respect the market's opinion on breakouts and scaled back a little bit until the market starts giving us successful, consistent breakout candidates. At any rate, on the weekly, again, we see the power of reclaiming the RSI 69.1. And of course, just to be clear, on the monthly, the breakout met all the minimum requirements of the RSI and MACD. So this is what to look for if you are on the hunt for the next explosive instrument, be it cryptos, stocks, and whatever other trading instrument. The minimum requirement is the same. So be it. Therefore, beloveds, I am Eric with Muathe.com, and it is a great joy to leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite Creator. Hence, go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one Creator. Adonai, my friends, Adonai.